You have been uploading videos for months, maybe years, and you are still stuck under 1,000 views. Meanwhile, somewhere out there, a channel is sculpting a clay figure of Ronaldo. No expensive camera, no expensive software, no complicated editing, just hands, clay, and a completely free tool. In that one video, 456 million views. I am not making that up. I found this channel while scrolling through shorts at midnight, and I could not sleep after I saw what was happening, because this is not one lucky video. This channel has a video with 456 million views, another with 399 million, another with 289 million, 8 million subscribers total, all from sculpting clay versions of celebrities, footballers, athletes, superheroes, Ronaldo, Messi, LeBron, Spider-Man, Superman, the Joker. People see their favorite character being built from nothing, and they cannot look away. Then I found a second channel, same niche, same format, 1 million subscribers, uploaded 5 days ago, already 1.3 million views on that one video, millions of views on every single upload, and the rest of their videos, millions and millions of views too. Then I found a third, same niche, same format, 1.23 million subscribers. This channel has a video with 111 million views, and the rest of their channel, millions and millions of views on every single upload too. And here is what destroyed me. Both of the top channels are estimated to be earning $6,000 every single month, each. That is $12,000 a month, combined, from clay sculpting shorts made with completely free tools. And the niche is still wide open. Just free tools, celebrity subjects people already love, and a formula so simple I am going to teach it to you in the next few minutes so you can have your first short ready to upload within 48 hours. I need you to stay until the very end of this video. Not because of a subscribe button, because the final thing I reveal, the exact reason these celebrity clay videos go viral every single time, is the piece that makes everything else actually work. Miss it and you are back to 1,000 views. Stay and everything changes. So here is exactly how you start. Go to the comment box right now and type free prompt, just those 2 words. Comment it before you forget, because at the end of this video I am going to tell you exactly where to get this prompt, and that is your entire starting point. Now open any free AI chatbot, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, any LLM model you already use, completely free, paste that prompt in, hit generate. What comes back will stop you, because this one prompt gives you 10 complete video topic ideas, instantly, not random ones, targeted ones. Athletes, footballers, popular superheroes, TV legends, exactly the kind of celebrity subjects that are already proven to go viral on shorts. I ran it myself. First 3 ideas, athletes, next 3, superheroes. Then it gave me a wild card, 10 ideas in seconds, from one free prompt. I picked the one that jumped out immediately, legendary footballer, Ronaldo. Now paste your chosen topic back into the chat and hit generate again. The AI will ask you one question: do you have an image of this character? Go to Pinterest, search for your celebrity, download one clean image. I downloaded Ronaldo, went back to ChatGPT, clicked the plus icon, hit add photo, uploaded the image, clicked generate. That image locks everything: the style, the features, the details. The AI uses it as the visual reference for every single output it gives you next. Now this is where it gets fun. The AI stops, gives you 2 options. Option 1, hyper-realistic bust. Serious. Then 5 concept directions. I picked option 2, victory celebration, Ronaldo, arms wide open, that iconic goal pose. Copied both, pasted, hit generate. The moment you hit generate, ChatGPT locks both your answers and gets to work. It starts building your complete concept plan. Every clip. What happens in clip 1? What happens in clip 2? What happens in clip 3? The entire video, mapped out for you automatically, shot by shot. Then it stops and asks you one thing. Should I prepare the prompts? You type one word, go. That is it, one word, and now it starts generating image prompts, video prompts, 4 to 5 complete prompts, each one ready to paste directly into a free AI image tool and a free AI video tool. No guessing, no creative thinking required, no expensive software. The entire production plan handed to you in seconds. Your concept is ready, your prompts are ready. Now we generate the images, now we generate the videos, all with free AI tools. And I am going to show you exactly which ones, right now. Now for the images, and this is where we use our first free tool, Flow AI. Here is what you need to know about Flow AI before we start. It generates images completely free, no credit issues, no paywall. But for video generation, the free credits run out fast. And celebrity images? Sometimes it gets them wrong. Errors happen. So we use Flow AI for images only. I will show you a different free tool for the videos in the next step. Here is exactly what to do. Open Flow AI. Click New Project. An interface opens in front of you. Click the Settings button. If video is selected, switch it to image. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Set number of images to 2. Choose any image generation model available. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box. Remember that Ronaldo image you downloaded from Pinterest earlier? Upload it here. This is your style reference. It locks the face, it locks the look. Now copy the first image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Paste it into the prompt box alongside your reference image. Hit generate. 2 images come out from one single prompt. The first image is ready. Now we build the rest. Go back to ChatGPT. Under each image prompt, there is a video prompt too. Ignore that for now. Copy image prompt number 2. Go back to Flow AI. Now here is the key step most people miss. Take the best image you just generated from prompt 1. Drag and drop it into the style reference box. This locks the consistency. Your character looks the same across every single frame. Then paste prompt 2. Hit generate. 2 more images come out. If they look wrong, and sometimes they do, here is the fix. Upload 2 references this time. Your original Pinterest image of Ronaldo plus the best image from prompt 1. Both together. Paste prompt 2 again. Hit generate. This time it comes out correctly. Now for image 3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy prompt 3, come back to Flow AI, click on the image you just generated. You will see an option at the top, Reuse Prompt. Click it. Your prompt and reference images load automatically. Delete the old reference images. Upload the best image from prompt 2 instead. Paste prompt 3, hit generate. Next image ready. Repeat this exact same process for every remaining prompt. Each time, your best previous image becomes the new style reference. Each time, the next prompt builds on the last. I completed 4 images total, 4 clean frames, each one building on the one before it, and they are all free. Every single one. Now, we turn them into videos. And this is where I show you the free tool that actually works. Now we convert the images into videos, and you have 2 options here. I am going to show you both. First, Flow AI. When you sign up, you get 50 free credits. Use them. Here is exactly how. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt that sits below your first image. Go to Flow AI. Upload your first generated image as the style reference. Make sure the same image and the same prompt are matched together. Do not mix them up. Click Settings. This time switch from image to video. Set the video duration to match your prompt. Select the Omni model. Hit Generate. Your first clip starts rendering. Repeat for every image. Same process. Copy the video prompt, upload the matching image, generate. One by one, your clips are being built, but here is the reality. Your 50 credits will run out. And sometimes, when you try to convert a famous celebrity image into a video, Flow AI flags it. Policy violation. Generation blocked. So what do? You use the second free tool, and this one has no credit issues for images like these. It is called Qwen AI. Go to qwen.ai, sign up, log in, completely free. If your Flow AI credits run out, Qwen AI is your backup. If Flow AI blocks your celebrity image, Qwen AI handles it. Same quality, same process, 0 cost. I am going to show you exactly how to use it right now. Now open Qwen AI. Click the plus icon. Select video. Set aspect ratio to 9:16. Click upload and drop in the image that Flow AI could not handle, or any image where your credits ran out. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the matching video prompt. Paste it here. Hit generate. Better quality than Flow AI. Done in seconds. Download it. Download every clip from Flow AI and from Qwen AI both. Now we edit. Open CapCut. Completely free. Click import. Upload everything. Your Pinterest reference image, your Flow AI clips, your Qwen AI clips, all of it in one place. Now drag your first clip to the timeline, then the next, then the next. Build the full sequence in order. Every clip following the concept plan ChatGPT built for you. Add transitions between every clip. Smooth, clean, professional looking. Now here is the step that most people skip, and this is exactly why their videos get 0 views. Take the original Pinterest image of your celebrity Ronaldo, in my case. Drag it on top of your video on the timeline. Resize it, move it to the corner of the screen. Small but visible. That one image in the corner tells every viewer instantly, this is who I am sculpting. They recognize the face, they get curious, they stay to watch the transformation. Without it, viewers do not know what they are watching. They scroll away in 2 seconds. With it, they are hooked from the very first frame. Once everything is in place, click export. Your video is ready. And now, the moment I promised you at the very beginning of this video. The real reason these clay videos go viral every single time. Stay right here, because this is the part that changes everything. Here is the real secret. It is not the clay. It is not the celebrity. It is the transformation. Humans cannot stop watching something being built from nothing. Add a celebrity they already love. They stop scrolling instantly. Transformation plus recognition. That is the whole formula. That is why 456 million views. You now have everything. The prompt, the free tools, the formula. I will add free prompt below right now and watch the next video. The next exploding niche is waiting for you there. The window closes fast.